Alrighty, Benjamin, here's your 363 small block Ford. I'll give you a description of this combination. Obviously, it's got AFR cylinder heads on it. We outfitted this with a solid roller spring, Jessel rocker arms. I want to turn some RPM with it. It's got a dark block. It's got one of our boosted rotating combinations. 2000 volts, DS custom piston. All gas ported, everything of that nature. The Innovator's West dampener on it. We just kind of got a dyno manifold on it and stuff. I'm not sure which setup you're going to run on top of it. Got the Moroso rear sump oil pan. It's got a really nice set of BAM solid roller lifters, really high quality units. We'll go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Oakdale 4600 or 381 torque, peak torque 437, peak horsepower 517. So obviously it's low compression, wide lobe centers, all built for boost. Peak power pretty high up there and stuff. So this is really kind of like our 530 combination, you might want to say. So everything's good. We'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. See your engine, find a single trick credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, so under specs, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up, flip it over. It's got this QR code, take you to some more tech stuff. I'd recommend watching all. Have a great day.